Before you decide to work on a cruise ship, you need to hear this first. Because what you see online, the travel, the views, the beautiful life, that's only a small part of the story. The truth is, working on a cruise ship is not for everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you not just a content creator, but as someone who understands what this life really feels like. If this is your dream, I respect that. But I also want you to be ready. Not just excited, but prepared. Because once you're already there, there's no easy way out. Let's start with the reality of the job. This is not a normal 8-hour shift. You will work 10, 12, sometimes even 14 hours a day. And it's not just one busy day, it's every day. No weekends, no holidays, sometimes no day off for months. And here's the part people don't talk about. Even when you're exhausted, even when your body is already hurting, you still need to show up, you still need to perform, you still need to smile. Because in this job, your attitude matters just as much as your skills. Now, let's talk about something heavier: homesickness. At first, you feel okay. Excited ka pa eh. Everything is new. But as days turn into weeks and months, it will hit you. You will miss simple things: eating together, talking freely, being physically present. And that the hardest part, when something happens at home and all you can do is look at your phone and feel helpless. That kind of feeling, not everyone can handle that. You will meet people from all over the world, different cultures, different attitudes, different ways of working. And not everyone will adjust for you. There will be misunderstandings. There will be pressure from supervisors. There will be moments you will feel unappreciated. And sometimes you will question yourself: can I really do this? That's why I always say skills can be trained, but your mindset, that's on you. This job will test your limits. Physically, pagod ka. Mentally, drain ka. Emotionally, sometimes empty ka. Kulangan sa tulog is normal. Back pain, stress, pressure, it's part of the life. If you're the type of person who gives up easily, this environment will break you. But if you learn how to discipline yourself, you will grow in ways you were never expected. Let me very clear with you. If your only reason is, I want to travel, I want a good salary, I want an easy life, you're going to be disappointed because travel is limited, rest is limited, comfort is limited, but responsibility, that's unlimited. So here's my honest advice before you apply. Don't rush. Build your experience first. Train your mind, not just your skills. Learn how to handle pressure before you enter this industry. Save money before you go because emergencies happen. And most importantly, know your why. Why you want this for your family, for your future, for your growth. Because when things get hard, and they will, your why is the only thing that will keep you going. This life is not for everyone, but it is for people who are strong, disciplined, patient, and willing to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. If you are that person, then yes, this path can change your life. Working on a cruise ship is not easy, but for the right person, it's worth it. It can build your character. It can support your family. It can open doors you never imagined. Just remember, before the success, there is sacrifice. And again, working on a cruise ship is not for everyone. If this helped you understand the reality, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below. Are you really ready for this kind of life?